Hi, we're on a re-level job. Glad to have you with us. Actually, it's a little more. This is one we run into before where they set up piers with a single half pad, and you notice how much it settled there without any weight on it. It's actually got a gap right there. And this is a two 40-foot portable buildings and one building in between in like an I shape. And so we're resetting the piers, adding a half pad on the bottom, cutting it across so that the block will be supported by that. And now we're doubling, instead of one half pad, it's 2 cap blocks. And it should be a 16 by 16 perimeter block. We can make do with this, but it should have been done this way. And then the straps are little cables with a pin, and we get 90-mile-an-hour winds here. I think 4 events Clay looked up in 3 years, every 3 years. So I'm not going to trust that to work. A 90-mile-an-hour or a tornado hits this, it's not going to hold up to it anyway, but we're looking to survive all the ones in between the tornado or an act of God, and that cable will not do it. So we're going to spend all day long and probably tomorrow working on it, changing all the piers and making it better. That's what we do, we make it better. But you walk around, show them the rest of the job, and then we'll take breaks and show what we're doing with the piers.